One of the craziest things about blockchain is that you can create trading bots that make you passive income while you sleep. Like this developer who just made $95,000 in a single transaction, all 100% verifiable on the blockchain with their blockchain-based arbitrage trading bot. Now, I've talked about these many times on my channel, but I believe we're going to see an explosion of crypto trading bot profits in 2024. And I'm explaining exactly why in this video and why it's already happening and how you can create one of these too. I'm going to tell you everything in this video today as a blockchain developer myself who's built multiple profitable trading bots. So if you're new around here, hey, I'm Gregory, and on this channel, I turn you into a blockchain master. So if that's something you're interested in, then smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel. All right, so let's get into this. Let's talk about the best crypto trading bot for 2024 and how this can go absolutely crazy if the crypto market continues in the upward direction. So let me first clarify what I mean by a crypto trading bot. I'm not talking about a crypto bot that tries to predict what the future cryptocurrency price is and buys and sells cryptocurrency based on that information. I'm talking about an arbitrage crypto trading bot that looks for opportunities in the marketplace right now and makes profit instantly. In the last month alone, these trading bots in aggregate have made over $3 million in profit, 100% verifiable on the blockchain. And these aggregate profits are up over the last 60 days because the cryptocurrency market has gone up like crazy in that same time period. And if we actually enter into a new bull market in 2024 like people expect, then these bots are absolutely going to print money. So let me explain why. So one of the biggest reasons that cryptocurrency prices have gone up like crazy in these past 60 days or so is because lots of new money is flowing into crypto that's increasing the trading volume. And as more people start to buy and sell crypto during this time period, it's going to create more arbitrage opportunities because that volume is there. And now another reason is because of the volatility in the crypto markets. You know, crypto's an insanely volatile asset class. Nothing ever goes up in a straight line. And when this volatility occurs, that's what actually causes arbitrage opportunities to happen because cryptocurrency exchanges fall out of sync. And that means there's a huge opportunity to capitalize on this in 2024. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do inside the Trading Bot Masterclass on Thursday, January 11th. Inside, I'm going to show you how to create your own blockchain-based cryptocurrency arbitrage trading bot with flash loans, completely step by step. So trust me, you don't want to miss this. Make sure you hold your spot with the link down below. All right, so now let me explain more about this opportunity and how it works. Let's go over the basics of arbitrage. So basically, arbitrage is where you buy cryptocurrency on one exchange and you sell it on a different exchange for a profit. So basically, if you can buy a token for $100 on one exchange and sell it on a different exchange for $101, you made a $1 profit, okay? Now that doesn't sound great, but what if you did this with a lot of cryptocurrency or you did this multiple times over and over again? That can quickly add up. And the reasons these opportunities exist in the first place is that no exchange really has the exact same price. So if you look at a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, you can see it's this price on this exchange, this price on that exchange. There's always some amount of difference. And because cryptocurrency is volatile, the price goes up and down like crazy. These exchanges fall out of sync really quickly, and that's what creates the arbitrage opportunities. And in the last 60 days, these discrepancies have happened more and more. Now, you could do arbitrage in a very traditional way where you get on centralized exchanges like Binance or Kraken, and you go buy Bitcoin on Binance here, then sell it on Kraken for a profit. But there's a big problem with that. By the time you go buy it on one exchange and move it to a different one, the price could move on you and you no longer have the profit opportunity. So that's not a great strategy. So what can you do instead? Well, you can do the exact same technique on the blockchain, because blockchain supports decentralized exchanges or DEXs and different cryptocurrencies that run on that same blockchain that you can manipulate and use in real time to create these arbitrage opportunities. So let me explain. So let's take a cryptocurrency like wrapped Ether, for example. So this is WETH. Well, you could do arbitrage transactions with WETH on two different decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and SushiSwap. Now, you could do the same type of thing like I was talking about. If WETH trades for one price on Uniswap and trades for a different price on SushiSwap, you can manually buy and sell. But the problem is, as those blocks are added to the blockchain, the price might move on you and you might not be able to do that. But what you can do is you can create smart contracts that hook into both of these exchanges and executes the trade in real time. And that's how the arbitrage opportunity works. And by being a blockchain developer and creating smart contracts, you open yourself up to a superpower, namely for arbitrage, that most people can't do. So let me explain. So blockchains support simple transactions and then complex transactions. So a simple transaction really just has one instruction. Basically, let's take the example of sending cryptocurrency from one account to another. Basically, if I want to send cryptocurrency from my account to your account, that's a simple one instruction. Basically, take the crypto out of my wallet and put it in yours. Same type of thing. If you're going to swap on a decentralized exchange like, Uniswap, if you swap the token, it's a simple transaction that just says, hey, swap this on Uniswap. But as a blockchain developer, you can create complex transactions with the functions inside your smart contracts that execute multiple transactions in a row. Like, hey, go buy the cryptocurrency on Uniswap and sell it on a different exchange like SushiSwap, all in the same transaction, so that when the arbitrage opportunity happens, that you know that it's going to be successful and the transaction will completely fail if it's not, and there's no way that you can lose the money that you're trying to trade for this. And that's exactly how this works when you see these types of complex transactions on the blockchain. They have multiple instructions like, hey, take out money from here, go trade it on this exchange, go trade it on that exchange, and then come back and then pocket the profit for yourself. That's something that you can only do with smart contracts as a blockchain developer that nobody else can do if they're just connecting their wallet with MetaMask and swapping manually on exchanges like this, or buying and selling cryptocurrency on centralized exchanges before the price changes on them. And what's even better is that you can actually do this without using your own money at all. So how on earth can you do that? Well, with something called a flash loan. So what is that? Well, a flash loan is where you can borrow millions of dollars of cryptocurrency for whatever you want to, whether it's arbitrage trading, liquidations, as long as you pay it back in the same transaction. So how does that work? Well, like I was saying a second ago, blockchains support these complex transactions with multiple steps. So as a smart contract developer, you can create these functions that say like, hey, step one, borrow money from a flash loan pool. Step two, go swap it on a cryptocurrency exchange, all right? And then go swap it on the other exchange to get back more of the same cryptocurrency for that arbitrage. And the final step is pay back the flash loan, and then you pocket the difference. And again, this is something you can only do as a developer when you create these custom smart contracts that orchestrate this. Now, one of the best things about flash loans is you cannot lose the money that you're borrowing. I see people get afraid about this all the time. What if I borrowed $1 million of cryptocurrency and then fumbled it and lost it? Well, you can't do that because the blockchain actually enforces the rules. The transaction will not go through unless you successfully pay back the loan, so you can't be on the hook for anything that you're borrowing. And so that's the basics about how this works. Basically, you're buying cryptocurrency on one exchange, on the blockchain, on decentralized exchanges, and selling it on another, and then plugging in flash loans so you don't even have to use the money. You don't have to have the money in order to trade in order to do this. And this is something that's only available to you as a developer who can create smart contracts to do this. Now, this is the type of opportunity that's going to absolutely explode if we continue to see cryptocurrency prices trend up and as more people buy and sell, as that volatility increases, as the volume increases. And this compounds even more because there's so many different opportunities out there, okay? So I just talked about 2 different cryptocurrency exchanges on the blockchain, like Uniswap and SushiSwap, but there's multiple different DEXs out there, okay? You can see, different Uniswap forks. There's 500 different Uniswap forks across multiple blockchains. You can see other DEXs listed here. There's all these exchanges going to fall out of sync as this trading volume picks up. Now, in addition to that, there's so many different cryptocurrencies that you can watch. I mean, there's thousands of cryptocurrencies that will work with the technique that I'm talking about. And then you can even multiply that even more because there's multiple blockchains that support this strategy. So if you can do this with smart contracts in Ethereum, you're not limited just to the Ethereum blockchain alone and the gas fees that you have to pay in order to become profitable. Any EVM compatible chain, you can put these same smart contracts on. So like Tron, Binance Smart Chain, any of the Ethereum layer 2s like Arbitrum, Optimism. You can do it on Polygon, you can do it on Avalanche. The opportunity just multiply when you tweak these factors. And so if you want to jump in on this opportunity as things heat up in 2024, then make sure you hold your spot with the link down below for the Trading Bot Masterclass on Thursday, January 11th. Inside, I'm going to show you how to create a blockchain-based arbitrage crypto trading bot with flash loans step by step. And no, you don't have to be an advanced developer to do this. So that's all I've got for today. As always, smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.